Keep your videos on and mute yourself. Until and unless I do not ask any question from you, you will not on your mic. Let me check your videos first. Yes, videos are on. Very good. Manasvi, Ritika. Okay, very good, very good. All the videos are on. Excellent. Fine, fine, fine. So today, Shaurya, Neha, Saurabh, on your video, bache. Saurabh, what is your class? Saurabh, can you tell me your class, bache? Saurabh, am I audible to you? Should I remove you? Saurabh? Anybody can tell me the section of Saurabh? Yes? Okay, fine. No problem at all, bache. So, now let's start our history portion, which is very important for your NTSC. Tomorrow you are having your NTSC exam at 9 o'clock. We will share link with you. So be attentive and attempt your NTSC exam very quickly, not very quickly, but very sincerely. Okay? Take your time, do your preparation and just nail it. We want out of marks in this NTSC. If you are having any kind of doubt, any kind of query, you can ask me anytime. So now we are going to start with our history portion as we already covered our civics and geography. In history, we already discussed our 5th chapter, that is what books and burial tell us. But still, I will give you a brief recap of that chapter also because tomorrow you are having your exam. But before that, we will cover our 4th chapter of history, that is in the earliest city. Okay, and I am recapping this chapter. Okay, so जो भी brief description है, I will provide you only brief recap of the chapter. I am not going to explain it in deep. So we will start with the Mohenjo-daro. ठीक है, Harappa civilization mainly where it is. In today's scenario, we will mark it in Pakistan. Okay, Harappa civilization. And the main Mohenjo-daro again, where it is? Again, it is in Pakistan by touching the border of India. ठीक है, border पे you are having your Mohenjo-daro and from there you are having your Harappa civilization. This is very important question with the point of view your NTSC exam. They can ask location of the Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, okay, Dholavira, Lothal. So they can ask location of all these places. Okay. So there is. Sorry. I'm not able to listen you. What you are saying. Be loud, bache. Who is asking? Be loud. Harappa is in Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro is in Pakistan. Okay. Wait. Let me show you. Yes. Is the diagram is visible to you all? Yes. So, I hope you all are having your book. You all are. So, take out page number 33. Page number 33. Okay. On the page number 33, what map is given to you? And the important cities and places are given in that map, which is very important. And you should know the places of these cities and the state also. Fine? Yes? Okay. So, let us discuss about the Harappa cities. So, mainly beta, these cities were divided into 2 and more parts. They divide their cities in smaller and larger. Basically, the smaller part in west, but they are higher. ठीक है? These are smaller but higher. Another part which is big, it is not higher. Fine. So next is you called it lower town. The part which is in west was small but higher. Don't get confused. I am repeating it again. The part of the west portion which is smaller but higher. Okay. But the opposite side is east side. That part is larger but lower. Mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. Yes. Everybody mute yourself. Yes, beta. You need to open page number 3. Yes. Yes. Okay. So now we are continuing with our chapter. I am repeating. West part was smaller. Okay. West part was smaller but higher as compared to the east part. East part was larger but lower. Fine. Is it clear to you all? Keep your videos on, everybody. Okay. Next portion, part which is very important is the lower town. This process is called lower town. Okay. Which we have discussed that west part was longer but smaller but higher, and the east part was longer but lower. You call this as lower town. Okay, and that is made up of a bricks, and those bricks were properly baked. Properly baked bricks. If you will use in any kind of construction, means it will go for long time. Lifeline will be increased when you are using baked bricks. Okay, if you are using unbaked bricks for any construction purpose, then the life of that brick is not so long. So what they did, they used baked bricks for all these construction purpose. Next is very important, your Mohenjo-daro and the bathtub. Okay, and Mohenjo-daro is having, yes, mute yourself there, yeah? Mohenjo-daro is having a very special tank. Okay, and archaeologists call this tank a bathtub. When archaeologists found so many evidence over there, so they called it a special, they call it a bathtub. Okay, great bath. And what is the description of this great bath is, but keep your video on. The specialization and the description of this bath was, there was the steps around the two sides. Okay, it was in a rectangular form. Can you take out your next page? Page number 34. Take out page number 34. There is one picture given in your book. Yes, this is your bathtub. Okay, and archaeologists called it bathtub. This is a special tank which is constructed like steps around its two sides. Fine, it is having steps around its two sides and small rooms around it all. Fine, दो साइड इसके क्या बनी है, स्टेयर्स बनी है. It is very deep. Two side they, yes बच्चे, that what I am saying, that from the two side it is constructed steps, or you can say stairs. With the help of that stair, people can go down and can came out. Okay, and around that bathtub you are having so many rooms where people can use those rooms for their changing purpose. Okay, is it clear to you? Yes. Now let's discuss about the houses, drains and streets. बच्चे, when we talk about their houses, drains and the city, so the cities had covered drains, but their drainage are in a form of straight lines. Okay, you cannot even see those drainage, but they are in a straight line, so they are not capable to remove maximum amount of water when it requires. By taking example, if it is heavy rain, then there should be a proper drainage system by which you can exit or you can remove your excess water. But there was a drainage problem in these cities, in this civilization, as their drainage system was in a very straight line. And as we discussed that the buildings are longer, अभी हमने डिस्कस किया ना, दैट इन वेस्ट साइड द बिल्डिंग्स आर स्मॉलर बट हायर. ठीक है, स्मॉलर बट हायर, बट इन द ईस्ट पोर्शन दे आर हैविंग लॉन्गर बट लोअर. ठीक है, क्लियर टू यू ऑल? सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस देयर वाज नॉट प्रॉपर ड्रेनेज सिस्टम इन दिस civilization, in these places, and streets were also very congested. Some houses were long, some houses were small, some are having lower portion, some. Okay, so there was not proper system or there were not any proper pattern which were followed to the construction. Have you ever visited these societies? Have you visited? Yes, yes, Srishti. Yes. Yes, बच्चे. This is the trainer. Okay. No. Yes, it is locked from all the side. It is locked because the purpose of the safety, that water should flow in a proper manner. Water will fall from here only. Okay, and it will exit with the proper way, the way it is constructed. Okay, जिस तरीके से कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया है वाटर के एग्जिट के लिए. फाइन, द वाटर विल एग्जिट इन दैट प्रॉपर मैनर. दूसरी साइड, दोनों साइड क्या है, हाउसेस बने हुए हैं. अगर दोनों साइड से अगर ये प्रॉपरली कवर नहीं होंगे तो लोगों को सेफ्टी प्रोवाइड नहीं होगी. वाटर कैन टर्न इट्स फ्लो. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव फॉर्म दिस ड्रेनेज. यहाँ से पानी ऊपर से आता है, ठीक है, और प्रॉपर एक एग्जिट वो उन्हें प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं. हैव यू एवर विजिट दिस सोसाइटीज? यू आर हैविंग त्रेहान, यू आर हैविंग द्वारकाधीश, ओमैक्स, ये बहुत सारी सोसाइटीज हैं. ठीक है, हैव यू एवर विजिट देम? आई होप यू ऑल आर लिविंग ओवर देयर ओनली इन द मैक्सिमम सोसाइटीज. तो देयर इज अ प्रॉपर, ठीक है, देयर इज अ प्रॉपर पैटर्न इन विच archaeologists, sorry, not archaeologists, in which these buildings are constructed. Okay, they are having proper drainage system, they are having proper entrance, they are having proper space for the parking area. Okay, so there is proper pattern which they have followed. But in what happened in the Harappan civilization, they don't have any proper pattern to follow. So the places were very congested. Okay, अभी आपने पढ़ा ईस्ट और वेस्ट का, कुछ क्या थे, बहुत ज्यादा हायर थे बट वो स्मॉलर थे, कुछ बहुत ज्यादा लॉन्गर थे बट वो क्या थे, लोअर थे. ठीक है, सो देयर वर नॉट प्रॉपर पैटर्न which were followed. सो वो जो सिटीज थी, वो जो प्लेसेस थे, वो बहुत ज्यादा क्या हो गए थे, कंजस्टेड हो गए थे. और इस तरीके से वो जो प्लेस होता था, दैट वाज वेरी बिजी, that you are having a small portion in that only you need to live over there. They were not proper you know what you say, drainage system. Streets were very congested. So in such चीजों से what the people think that they should shift it to the cities. ठीक है, they want to shift from village to cities, and the people who plan to shift in the cities were like kings. They were like rulers. Rulers shifted to the cities. They are having, like, they cover a very long distance to settle in the cities, and they are having so many valuable objects with them, that they are having gold ornaments, they are having stones, they are having silver. ठीक है? तो जो rulers थे, rulers shifted from village to the cities. And next we are having scribes. Scribes कौन होते हैं? Scribes are the person who know the art of writing. In the earlier time, everybody was not aware about the writing. They don't know how to write. So there were some special person who know how to write, and you called it scribes. This is very important question. Who are scribes? The person who know writing. Okay, and what do you mean by calligraphy? Yes, what do you mean by calligraphy, bache? Calligraphy means art of beautiful writing. Is calligraphy. Yes, art of beautiful writing is your calligraphy. One. Yes. Fine. Mute yourself. But just don't get confused in scribe and calligraphy. Calligraphy and scribe are used to do that beautiful handwriting. Okay, so we have discussed both the things. Next is your craft person. If people are shifting from village to cities, then they need to do something for earning money. So what they did, they start their own business. The craft person making all kind of things by which they can sell out and they can earn money from that. So who are the craft person? Craft person are the people who used to make different things. Okay. They are having some terracotta toys also. Have you ever seen the terracotta toys? See, these are the terracotta. See. These are terracotta toys. Okay. You are having question also that craft person used to make these toys and children use them to play. Fine. Now see. Terracotta toys are made. Yes, they terracotta जो आपके toys हैं, they are made up from a special object. Okay, that is mix up of all the special object, because children also used to play with them, so they are not breakable. You call them terracotta toys. Next, now people are start shifting from villages to town. So now they are having a new life in the cities. In the villages, they used to practice only farming system. Okay, or they were busy in agriculture. They were busy in rearing animals. They sell out their milk products. They sell out their food grains to earn money. But now they have started shifting to the cities. And when they are starting shifting to the cities, now they don't have any work to do like that, like agriculture and rearing animals. Now they want some another work to do by which they can earn their profit, or by which they can earn their income. So they start doing their jobs. And the craft person are the example of these persons only, that if they are having any kind of skill, if they are having any kind of special technology they know, so they can practice that technology, and they can earn the money, because now they are living in the cities. Now their expenses are high. Okay, and the cost of everything is also high, so they need to earn something. Now they are ready to do any work. They are ready to do work under any ruler. Okay, they are ready to do work under any rich person to earn their money. Okay. Now they also use copper and brass to make some ornaments. Okay, they make ornaments. They make blades and beads. They they make weapons also. Okay, so like this, they found their. Sorry, ask you weapons. You can use your copper. You can use your bronze. Okay, and in today time, you can use mix up of iron also. So we cannot make it with very light metal. It should be strong. So we use our copper, bronze. Sometimes we can mix a little quantity of the iron in that. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Oh, yes. And after that, what they did? This allowed these ornaments, beads, and weapons to the ruler person who usually busy in their battle, and from there they can earn their huge profit. Okay, is it clear to you all, bache? Yes. Okay, now see. Can you see this picture? Yes, can you see this picture? Yes. So do you think that anybody can frame the picture? Anybody can frame anybody can design the picture with this much of finishing? Yes, only special person can do that. Okay, have you ever visited on the footpath of any area where the special person designed many beautiful toys and many beautiful paintings and designing? Yes, so they are the special person who, yes, they are the special person who are having special kind of technology and skills that they can make, they can design any of their pot, or they can design any other paintings or any other, you can say, thing like that, that the person or the rich family can use them to decorate their houses, and they are ready to pay any cost which that craft person need to ask. वो जो भी उनसे पूछते थे, जितना भी प्राइस वो मांगते थे, वो जो रिच पर्सन होते थे वो उन्हें इतना ही प्राइस देने के लिए रेडी हो जाते थे. Now your next point is in the search of the raw material. What is the raw material, बच्चे? Raw material, for making any product you need raw material. Okay, so for example, if you want to so for manufacturing a pen, your plastic is a raw material. If you want to make a chair, so wood is the, what is wood? Wood is the raw material. Yes, Sora from Stephen. Yes, Sora from the Stephen Hawking. Have you joined this meeting, bache? This class is of J.J. Thomson and Rutherford only. You have entered in the wrong class, but no problem at all. I will submit your attendance to your. Yes, Sora from the Stephen Hawking. चलिए बच्चे. So in search of raw material, if the village person are also manufacturing or constructing things like that, so they need to, what they need to purchase? They need to purchase raw material. Okay, or if they want to, yes, on your videos, everybody. Yes. So for producing, by taking example, for producing chair, they need wood, and from where they will get the wood? They will get the wood from the forest only. If you want to produce, if you want to weave cloth, अगर आप क्लॉथ वीव करना चाहते हैं, क्लॉथ बनाना चाहते हैं, so for that purpose, what is your raw material? Cotton will be your raw material, and for obtaining, you need to visit farmers in the village who are producing cotton. So the craft person and the businessman should keep it very clear in their mind that the product what you are going to produce or what they are going to produce should be a very good quality of raw material, and they should keep it in mind that from where they will get their raw material. By taking example, if you want to produce chair and table, so that carpenter should know it very carefully that from where he or she will get the raw material, from where he or she will get the wood for that. If you don't have any forest nearby you, means you need to bring that material from many so far away place. ठीक है, उसमें transportation cost will be very high, and if your transportation cost will be high, your profit will be reduced. Okay, so before about any business in which you are going to invest, you need to keep it in mind that from where you are going to take your raw material. If the transportation cost is very high, so you need to establish your company or you need to establish your factory nearby the area from where you are getting your raw material. If you are getting your raw material from the Tamil Nadu and you are establishing your company in the Gurgaon, so it is very far from each other. So you need to establish your company in Tamil Nadu only because you are getting raw material from there. Okay, and it will reduce your cost also. Okay, after that we are having food for peoples in the cities. Yes, they used to grow wheat, barley, pulses, peas, rice, shisham, linseed, and mustard.